What kind of parent could stand by while their own child suffers unimaginable abuse? In Texas, a horrifying tragedy has shocked the nation. 3-year-old Dawson Zamora is dead, and now his mother, Chelsea Berg, faces capital murder charges. But the story behind Dawson's death is even darker than it seems. Welcome back to Channel Name, where we uncover the most shocking true crime cases. Today, we're diving into the tragic story of Dawson Zamora, a little boy whose life was cut tragically short. His death in December followed months on life support after a severe traumatic brain injury he suffered in October. Investigators discovered chilling text messages from September. In these messages, Chelsea Berg directly accused her boyfriend, Christopher Alexander, of abusing Dawson. One text read, "You bruise him, hurt him, and cause damage every single time you are alone with him." These messages show she knew her son was in danger. But the question is, what did she do next? On October 14th, despite being aware of the abuse, Berg left Dawson alone with Alexander. That day, Alexander took Dawson to the hospital claiming the boy had fallen. But medical staff immediately saw something far worse. Dawson's injuries were not consistent with a simple fall. He had bleeding in the brain and bruises in multiple stages of healing, clear signs of repeated abuse. Now both Chelsea Berg and Christopher Alexander are facing capital murder charges. Prosecutors argue that Berg's knowledge of the abuse and her decision to leave Dawson with Alexander directly contributed to his death. Criminal defense attorney Matt Manino explains that while Berg did not physically hurt Dawson herself, Texas law allows authorities to charge someone with capital murder if they knowingly leave a child in a dangerous situation. In this case, prosecutors believe Berg's inaction was just as deadly as an active attack. This case raises difficult questions about responsibility, neglect, and the limits of parental duty. How could anyone ignore clear warnings that a child was in danger? Dawson's story is a heartbreaking reminder that sometimes silence and inaction can be deadly. If you want to stay updated on this case and other shocking true crime stories, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts below. What would you have done in Berg's position?